Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Hifree brand, their LED floor lamp Pro, their model LT-ST35. It's super bright, 14 watt with stepless dimmable function. It's a great reading lamp. It has 3 color temperatures and it's fully adjustable gooseneck on there. So this is a heavy duty and flexible gooseneck. This has a high quality floor lamp with thicker poles, as you can see, higher height, heavier base, larger lighting area, high brightness, more professional other floor lamps that are on sale on Amazon. So this is going to be really durable and not easy to tip or shake with 360-degree adjustable gooseneck. Now what you see is the way it comes in the box, and we're going to show how to assemble this. So this, you can choose 3 color temperatures from 3000K, 4000K to 6000K, and steplessly adjust the brightness from 5% to 100%, suitable for reading, working, leisure, anything where you want a nice warm light scene with adjustability. It also uses 144 pieces of high quality LED devices on the top part right there that you can see right here, and that's what's going to give you all that brightness. So this is the base right here. It is really heavily weighted. I couldn't believe how heavy it was. And you can see the electrical connection right here. That is where it's going to be connected to the power adapter. This power adapter has a USA plug on there, and it is UL listed, so you know it's very safe. It's 19 volts at a half of an amp. So this is the controller portion right here. It looks like it pushes in and rotates. We're going to show that. Then you see it comes with these 3 tubes, and you can see the power connection is snaked through those tubes, and you snake it through the final one there when you're putting it on the base piece right there. So this final output is going to go snake through there, and then it's going to connect to the connection that is right inside the base there, and then this AC adapter is going to connect to that, and you're all set. I'm going to show all of this so that you know how to do this. This has a 50,000 hour lifespan because of the LEDs and because of the way they're heat sinked inside there. Now this is really soft and warm light and full color control. There's no flickering, no glaring, no ghosting. It's an ideal reading lamp also. The memory function can memorize the brightness and setting it was on the last time you use it. Very easy to control. There's only one physical spin and push button. You can turn it on and off with that push button, adjust color temperature, and rotate the button to adjust the brightness. Very simple to use, and we're going to again fully demonstrate all of that. The unit also gets shipped with a really nice instruction manual that tells you how to set this lamp up. Some of the specs is in terms of lumen, it has a 1200 lumen maximum flux. The color rendering index, the quality of light, is greater than 80. And operating voltage is 19 volts at 500 milliamps, and it is 14 watts, 144 LEDs, and the RSMD 2835, which is good type of LED. The lamp height is 1.8 meters or 70.9 inches. So the manual says to assemble the lamp from top to bottom. So we're going to work our way to the bottom. So I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to insert it, let the cable flow through, and tighten it up nicely. Then we're going to move on to the next rod. We're going to pull the connection through, tighten that up, and now we have the final one right here, and that goes towards the top. And here is the connection again. We're going to feed that through like that, and tighten that up like that. Now we have the base. And again, this base is real heavy. Let me just show the base, how nicely it's designed. Look at the oversized rubber feet on there. There's electrical connection which can feed, and just make sure you don't put it under the leg like that. And there's where it goes up the top to the lamp. This is really heavy. It feels like about 5 pounds, 4 pounds. Inside there is the electrical connection and the mating screw section for this last piece right here. So we're going to set this down on the table right here. So it's laying flat. Then we're going to take this whole piece that I just assembled with the bottom part right there, and we're going to plug it in to the plug right there. It only goes so far, and then this piece right here we're going to feed into the pole. And we're going to drop this down, and I'm going to start by going counterclockwise so that it catches the threads easier. Now I'm going to go clockwise, and I'm going to rotate this. What it's doing, it's catching those threads inside there, and it's locking it in place. You want to make that nice and tight. Now I have the other end of the AC adapter plugged in, and I'm going to plug this into here like that, and you're all set. Now here I have the light bent 180 degrees so that we could see the light and the controller. Very simple to operate. You push the button in, you hear a click, and the light comes on, the previous setting I had. And then you have the brightness control right there. It has little clicks on this, so you can precisely put it where you want. And it is really bright. I'm real impressed. Now you hold this down again for a couple seconds and it shuts it off. Now you turn it back on, and you could pulse this to change the color. So there's 3 different color modes. I like the warm color, so I'm going to leave it on that. And then you have your full brightness control, and you turn it off by holding it just like that. Very simple. I'm going to show it upstairs out of my studio, and we're going to show it where it's going to be used in my home. So here I have one example. I'm using it in my house, and this is a really good reading light because of the fact that you can direct the light directly over a book. It works really well. And then of course you have the color choices and the brightness, and that knob is so oversized that you can just easily get to that knob and adjust anything you want. So what do I think about the Hifree brand, their LED floor lamp, the model LT-ST35? This is a really nice product. I was really impressed with the quality of the build. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.